Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can collage in Canva. So it is quite easy and simple. So to get started, open up your Canva application. Once you have opened it, you'll be brought up with the home page of Canva. Now from the appeared screen, we'll have to choose the format. So go ahead and tap on that plus icon on the button of your screen. At the middle side, here you'll have to choose the format. So let's say I have choose this Instagram story. On the bottom left corner, you can see the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, go ahead and tap on elements. Now scroll all the way down until you see grids option. Once you have saw it, so here is the collage section. You can select any collage of your choice. So once you have selected any collage in Canva, you are good to go, and you can add any photo and just collage it in Canva. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.